Today, let's look at the way that you can download videos from Dailymotion. Welcome back to a new tutorial video on Hygienic everyone. If you come across any video that you like and you want to download it, in today's video, let me show you how. If this is something that you want to learn, make sure you stick till the end and let's get right into it. First of all, let's head over to the video that you're trying to download. Now, if you want to download this video and want to make sure if the download is available or not, you'll need to scroll down to the description of the video. For example, in this video, it says, for licensing and use this video, please email at this email address. So most of the videos will have this email address added in the description, which means in order for you to use this video on your own videos, you'll need to first of all email for the licensing use of this video. After you email, then what you can do is copy in the link of this video. You can click on share on the bottom and click on copy link. Once that is done, open up a new tab and search for Dailymotion Downloader. This way, you'll see a bunch of websites where you can download videos from Dailymotion. I'm just going to pick the first one. You just need to paste in the link that you just copied in. Click on start. There may be some ads popping up, but you can ignore them. And here you'll have the option called Start Download. Click on the Start Download button and click on Download. This way the video will be downloaded to your device. If you head over to Downloads, you can see the video now has been downloaded to your download section. Now, if you're just downloading videos, do not use it on your personal videos. You don't need to look at the descriptions. You can pick any video that you like and repeat the same process. Click on share, copy the link, open up the downloader, paste in the link and then click on start. This way you can easily download any videos that you like in the Dailymotion platform. That's how easily you can download videos from Dailymotion. I do hope this guide video did help you out. If it did, be sure to subscribe. That's going to be all for today. I'm going to see you guys in the next video.